In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth transition to make your video look professional. Many content creators out there are finding it difficult to create this transition, and in this video I will show you step by step on how to create it. Okay, so let's get started now. So if you are new here and miracle updates, in this channel I teach video editing tutorials and editing mistakes you should avoid to keep your video professional. So if that sounds like what you want, kindly hit the subscribe button and stay connected. Okay, so let's dive into the tutorial now. So we are going to use ucut to achieve this transition. So click on ucut and let it open. Okay, so once you open, click on the plus icon, then click on import, then import the video you want to add this transition. Okay, so I'm going to pick a random video. So this is the video I want to add a transition, so I'll just add the video. So this is the video. Alright, so we are going to use keyframe to add this transition. So if you don't know what is keyframe, you can watch this video over here. So in the video I show everything you need to know about keyframe. Okay, so tap on this, play the video first, then check the place you want to add a transition. Once you reach there, tap on the video clip, then click on this keyframe on top over here, tap on it, then slide a little bit. So we are going to add a zoom effect transition over here. So once you reach here, use your two thumbs, then increase this video. Are you seeing how I'm doing it? Increase it. So once you increase it, you'll slide again, slide a little again, then decrease the video to the normal size, then move again to another part you want to add another transition. So once you reach to that part, tap on the keyframe again, add it, then slide a little bit, then use your thumb, then slide it to the right hand side, just like this I'm doing it, then slide a little bit, then move back again to place it at the middle. Yeah, so this is at the middle, then decrease it. I see what I'm doing, so make sure you do it carefully. So once you reach the middle, you will see the grid line showing. Alright, so let's play and see what we just created.
Listen, if you really want to succeed, you have to be consistent every single day. No excuses.
Can you see it? Can you see this wonderful and professional effect that we just created now? We're just using keyframe. This is not the normal transition that you normally add to your video. This is a professional transition that you can now start adding to your video to make it look more professional. Okay, so let's play it again.
If you really want to succeed, you have to be consistent every single day. No excuses.
Can you see it? You can also do it for the left hand side. So let's do for the left hand side over here. So once you reach that part, tap on the keyframe, then slide a little bit, zoom. First of all, zoom. After zooming, then slide to the part you want. So we want it to move to the left hand side, so here is okay. Then slide again, then bring it back. All right, so let's see the third one that we created. Let's see how it look.
Listen, if you really want to succeed, you have to be consistent every single day. No excuses, just pure focus.
Can you see it? Can you see? So this is wonderful transition that you can add to your video, and it will help your video to go viral. Because when people start watching your video and see this kind of transition that they have not seen before, that look professional, they will like to watch your video more and more and more. Okay, so if you want to know more about the effects that you can add to your video to drive audience in, or to make your video look professional, watch the video showing on your screen right now. It will help you more. Okay, so if you found value from this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content tips like this. Okay, and also state the next tutorial you would like to watch in the comment section. Okay.